Okay, we start again. That's the art gallery. It's a bit. Yeah, I'm worried. Become beautiful now. It's more later now. You guys see on the gallery on the wall. That's their style. That's the old city. I'm worried I will rub down on my phone.
Aló.
You hold me. You careful my phone down. Drop my phone. What?
So, take a picture of me.
You want what?
Picture of me.
Picture you. You can picture by yourself. Wait me a little bit. Just wait me a little bit. Wow, on the side, beautiful. Ôi. Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back soon. Stop for a moment now, for a while now. Many buildings come from here. Big building. Old and modern, they mix it together. The people, they also enjoy on the canal. The last, same in Vietnam. Okay, okay, guys, bye bye.